Greetings, colleagues. Today, we're going to review how to use Edpuzzle. First, we go to www.edpuzzle.com. Next, we're going to search for the kind of content that we're looking for to use as a video lesson. Let's try financial literacy. Next, and this is very important, something I like to do, see where it says source? Click on Edpuzzle hosted. That way, you can make sure that the video will be available and it will not be blocked on YouTube. Next, you preview the video by clicking the play button. Many of these videos already have questions that were added by other teachers. To view and edit these questions, you just click on the edit button and you can view all the different options here. You can delete them or change them, and then you can also add your own questions as well. Now, when you're finally ready to assign this to a class, you click on the Assign button and you choose a class. You could choose the start date and the due date. And if you click this button right here, it's automatically posted to Google Classroom. And you can also post it to multiple classes at the same time. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining us and have a wonderful day. This video tutorial is available on my Tech Toolkit website. There will be a link for this on the bottom of this video in the video description if you're interested in learning more. Thank you so much for joining us and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.